we're going to teach you how to put together a floral wall backdrop. This is going to be perfect for baby showers or bridal showers, wedding backdrop, or just for a party. We got together a bunch of flowers today. So these are all of our fall flowers, but this would also be perfect in the spring. So let's get to it. So what you're going to do is take one of the stems, cut it to the length desired so you can leave a little bit of stem so you can see it on the wall. Then you're going to take a piece of washi tape and attach it. You can leave some of the leaves on if you want, or you can remove them all. And then you'll just continue until the whole wall is full of flowers.